Now, the people I'm going to post now, and the evidence I'm going to start posting from today, all of them will shock. All of them. Now, when Mohbad by, they created a group. Do you understand? Now, these are the people in the group. Iyabo Ojo is the group admin. I mean, I wanted to cover her name, but I just said, if I want come clean with the public because it is VDM, you know. There's somebody, Barrister Ramide, then there's Dre Official. This guy na Davido PRO. See in picture, see in profile. As you can see, that's his profile. It says A&R Music Executive, Davido Music Worldwide, 30BG PRO to Davido, CEO, blah, blah, blah. Do you understand? This guy is one of the most demonic person when I don't ever see. As I go through all their group chats, I fear this boy. I fear him. I'll show you. I'll show you. Anyways, so there's Dre, there's Tonto Dike, as you can see. There's Kesolo, Oba Kesolo. There's Sam Clef, there's JBO, there's Aloma Music Worldwide. Then the other group, there's Sam Clef, who is the group admin. There's Bella Shmoda booking number. The person's name is Pumping. This one is representing Bella Shmoda in the group. There's Foolish Caller IG, Fola G. There's Iyabo Ojo's lawyer, Fumi. There's Jigon, the guy who gets where they limp with one leg. There's Jigon. Let's say like you will get one leg. As I see always see the right, I just shake my head. You be evil person. Very evil. Anyways, and then this second group, there's still Tonto Dike and there's somebody called Tech Design. Now, for starters, Mohbad by on the 12th of September 2023. So after I buy, immediately these people created this group, all in the name of fighting for justice for Mohbad. But if you see what's in there, this group, all the narrative you people see online, everything, now from here they come, all the captions. As a matter of fact, let me shock you. Now from here they send me go prison when I spend 1 month. Now for this same place, they release my nude because I asked question. Now let me take you back again before I start to release everything. Now full series, so now full series won't happen now. When Mohbad buy, when they announced saying Mohbad don't buy, it took everybody shocked. Like, what is going on? Now they talk say Mohbad don't buy, they not talk with him by Mohbad. The next day, Mohbad wife go post say they have taken him away from me, he struggled till death. She said a lot of things, pointing hands towards the Malian music. Automatically, everybody just assumes, say, okay, maybe they don't attack Mohbad, maybe they shoot him, maybe they beat him. Nobody, there was no.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ lẹ ti gbọ́ lẹ́nu VDM Very Dark Man bí ìṣù ṣe kú bí ọ̀bẹ sì ṣe bẹ́. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ subscribe, ẹ like, ẹ share, ẹ comment sórí YouTube channel wa. A ò ní rí jù báyìí lọ tún dijọ́ mọ́ ọjọ́ ire o.